converting BMP file to other formats. Try SysTools BMP File Converter Tool. Let's discuss key features. First, format flexibility supports various image and document formats: TIFF, PNG, PDF, doc, etc. Bulk conversion converts multiple BMP files at once, preserving quality with easy image management. Customization resize images, create single or separate files, and print multiple BMPs. User-friendly, easy image arrangement, and compatible with all Windows OS versions. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools BMP File Converter Tool. Now click on the link. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools BMP File Converter Tool. On the right, you'll find the first option, Add File, which lets you import individual or multiple BMP file. Next is the Add Folder option, allowing you to import multiple folders containing BMP file, perfect for handling larger datasets. Let's click on Add File. Select some BMP file and click Open. Once imported, you'll see the file names in one column along with their destination paths, and file sizes displayed in the right column. Now let's explore some additional features. The Remove option allows you to delete selected files, while Remove All clears all the imported files. With the Move Up and Move Down options, you can prioritize files by moving them to the top of the list to make them the first to convert, while lower priority files will be converted last. In the Destination Path section, the first option is Convert, which is used for file conversion. The Print option allows you to print your images directly. Below, you'll see the destination path for the exported files, which is set to the desktop by default. You can change this by clicking the Change button. Now click Next to proceed. This is the Preview panel where you can view the imported BMP file. Use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate through the BMP file. Now let's click Next to continue. The Settings panel is now open. The first option is Export Format, where you select the format to export your BMP file. The SysTools BMP Converter Tool offers a wide range of formats, including PDF, doc, docx, HTML, text-base64, JPG, JPEG, PNG, a PNG, BMP, WebP, GIF, TIFF, TIFF, TGA, JPEG, 2000 and HIC. Let's select PDF, though users can choose other formats if needed. Next is the PDF settings. The first option, Create PDF for each BMP image, generates a separate PDF for each BMP file. The second option, Create Single PDF for all images, combines all BMP file into one PDF. Number of images for single page. Lets you specify how many BMP file should be included on each page of the PDF. Then in PDF security settings, Add Document, Open User Password allows you to set a password to protect the PDF file from unauthorized access. Add Restrictions on PDF lets you add a password to prevent editing or modifying the PDF without permission. In the PDF page layout settings, Margin setting enables you to adjust the margins of your PDF. Paper orientation lets you choose between portrait and landscape. Page size allows you to choose from options like A4, A3, and letter to customize the page dimensions. Each of these 4 document formats has its own unique settings, and the image formats come with their own distinct options as well. Let's explore these settings by selecting any image format. This will open the Image Settings panel. In the Image Conversion settings, the first option is Set Image Quality, where you can adjust the quality using numbers, with the maximum being 100. Next is Resize Image, where you can define the dimensions or resolution in pixels. Let's uncheck these settings for now and select your preferred format for conversion. Users can adjust these settings according to their needs. With all the settings configured, it's time to start the conversion process. Click the Convert button to export your file. Once the conversion is complete, a pop-up window will confirm that the process was successful. Click OK to proceed. A small report is generated. The total file count is 5. The successful file count is 5. And the failed file count is 0. Below that, the destination path for the exported folder is shown in blue. Clicking on this path will take you directly to the exported folder. Go ahead and click on it. Now open one of the PDF files. Let's also open another PDF file to check the results. And that's it. That's how you can convert BMP file using SysTools BMP Converter Tool.
Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.